We got a heavy rain, the first one since we made our wall. I'm going to run out and see how it looks out there. Bring you with me. I wanted to apologize. My hand is often over the lens, but I'm protecting the camera from the rain. Sorry about that. Coming through the garden there. That's what we wanted to avoid. Barbara doesn't like her garden getting all flooded out. Go all straight ahead here. Here's a little river. Hey, it's working though. It's coming through, of course, but look at this. This is all new. Coming down there a little bit, mostly here, from the beehive there. Turning the corner here. Look how deep that is. This is all water that used to come into our house, all going over the top of the slope there. Boy, it comes in a lot here, my goodness. There's a little bit coming here. Happy to see. It's on both sides of the wall here. Of course it doesn't hold the water like a mortared wall would, but this is nice. This is hopeful. This is great. We'll go around this bush this way. Lightning. The water I'm walking through here, the ground I'm walking through here is very wet. Very wet. And this is the part that Patrick made. Nice. Hello, lightning. Hello, thunder, my old friend. The water is very deep on the left and not on the right, so it's holding a lot of it, making it go down the hill. Spreading it out a little bit is what I like. It comes in quite a bit there and here. We used to send it that way toward the studio. Now we're coming this way. That's nice. Okay. I think I'll run down the other end of the wall too, just for fun. I have to send this video to Patrick and thank him for his help. Here's where it really comes in though, again. This is deep. I'm on the levee. So how much really makes it down here? Here it goes off here. It doesn't go to the house. Boom, boom. We wanted it to come on, empty out into the big field here. I guess it is. And that's not a lot of water here. So it must be letting it go along the way. But here, every bit of water right here is what it would have gone into our back door. Very nice. Yeah, okay. Bye-bye.